To my channel. So today's in this video we are going to learn how to make the tic-tac-toe game. Okay, it's a famous interview question, like in the most of the interview, front-end related interviews, like in the Google, Microsoft, Uber, Razorpay, this type of company generally ask to make you the tic-tac-toe game. Okay, so let's see what is this tic-tac-toe game. This is the two-player game. First user will select cross, second one zero. Okay, the third one cross. If any of the line match like horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, that player got win. Okay, so this is the tic-tac-toe game. So today we are going to make this game. Okay, so let's see. Let's go in the code. So this is the index.html, and so inside this index.html I have this div which I set the class tictactoe. There is a heading h2 tag, and this is the board which I add the class board. Okay, and inside this board div we have 9 different cells, which have the common class which is cell, and have a on click function which is make move, and for every div I am passing some values. Okay, 0 1 2 3. It's a kind of the index, like the first cell has 0, second first one is first different, second cell is 1, third cell is 2, so on. Okay, so at the end we have this button which is reset button. Okay, and when the user got click, it is calling this reset game function. Okay, so inside the index.css file, you see this is the very less css which I have written. Okay, just to create this board, for creating this board I am using this css. Okay, for every cell I set the width and height to the 80, and the parent to give a display flex and flex wrap, and the width is 240. Okay, so this is the css file. The main thing is index.js file is okay. So when the user click on any of the cell, I am calling this make move function. Okay, so let's see what is this make move function. Let me do this thing first. Okay, so so uh, in so in the JS code, first I have declare a current pair, set the value to the x. Okay, and here in the cells variable, this is I'm selecting all the tag. Okay, which have this cell class, and there is one more variable which is win. Initially I set the value false. Okay, so now let's move in the make move function. So when the user click on any of the cell, it is getting called this make move function, and now inside this we have that, we have the access of this value. Okay, what we are passing here, so that is stored in the index value. So here first I am checking if it is already win. Okay, suppose let me show you. Suppose uh, user click here. Suppose now the second player is got a win, right? So when the next time suppose some user click on the board, so we can show the user to this, you need to restart to play further. Okay, so that so that's why I am uh, sending this alert, right? If already user win, so you need to reset to play further. Okay, so I am just returning. So that's why this if condition I am using here, and below this there is one more if condition which is cells of index dot inner html. What does it mean? If cells of index has some value. Okay, so in that case we are also going to return. Why I am doing this? Suppose user click on the first cell. If the user again click on the first cell, so there is no need to execute the other code as well, right? So that's why I'm checking here if cells of index dot inner html has some value. In that case we are directly returning, right? So let's move in the 15th line. So what I'm doing here? So if the suppose if the cells is empty, so what I'm doing, I'm just setting the cells of index dot inner html is equal to current player. What is this current player? Current player is current value. Okay, the first player is x, the second player is o. Okay, so this is the current player, and what I'm doing, I'm also removing this add remove event listener. Okay, or I can also remove this line of code because we are already checking if the value we have or not. Okay, so let's see if the user is click on here. If the again user click, so nothing is happened, right? So it's good. So now we are checking. First I set the value of value to the cell. Now again what I'm doing, I'm just setting the value of that current player, right? If the current player is x, in that case the next move should be o, or if it should be o, the next move should be x. So okay, and for every move I am also checking this is winner check function. Okay, so let's see is in the is winner check function. In this function I have 8 different possibilities, right? Any player can win either the all the rows, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or the column 0 3 6 1 4 7 2 5 8, and we have two more options which is diagonal, right? 0 4 8 or 2 4 6. So for every it's a 2D array, so I am just iterating for all the rows, all the array. For every array I am just here I am calling is check equal or not. Inside this check equal or not, what I am doing, I am just checking for the cells value either it's a equal or not, right? So let me, so I am checking the cells of array of 0 value is equal to array of 1 or not, if array of 1 is equal to array of 2 or not, and array of 2 is equal to not is equal to null, right? Suppose there is nothing, all are empty, so in that case they are also equal to they are also equal, right? So that's why I'm adding this condition, they don't have the empty value, okay? So in that case it will return true, otherwise it will return false, okay? So this is what it is doing, check equal or not, okay? So when if I got the value true, then I move inside this if condition. So let me so I am setting the is win to true, and I'm also seeing the winner name. If the cells value is equal to x, it means the first player is win, otherwise the second player is win, right? So and I also changing the heading uh, by using this query selector. uh, Set the inner HTML is equal to winner name, okay, and I am just returning. And we also have one more function which is reset game. Inside this reset game, what I am doing, I am just setting the setting everything to the initially, right? So setting current player to x is win equal to false, and for all the cells I am just adding the add event listener, okay, and setting the heading tag also is equal to null, right? So this is what tic-tac-toe game code looks like, okay, and it is better to make like to make the practice before the interview, okay, because this type of question lots of time interviewer asks you to make the tic-tac-toe game. So I hope you get some idea like how to make this game. So if you will really enjoy or uh, you feel like it's a useful video, so please make sure give a like and don't forget to subscribe. And I also have other review videos, okay, so you can do also check out. So thank you so much.